One of our customers got us thinking, wouldn't it be useful to have a recipe that searches for the different methods that do an action across all the repos in a code base using just a natural language query? This could be used for impact analysis to figure out what's in your code. For companies that have large code bases in particular, it's not always straightforward nor well documented. Let's take a look at a recipe that uses a two-phase AI approach to do a method invocation search. So here we have resemble set to HTTP request. So that's our query. That's what we're looking for throughout the code base. We also set top K to 5. Basically, the search recipe first does a scanning part, which basically looks at all the method signatures. We then take the top K most likely to do the thing described by the query provided. This helps narrow the search space and is what makes this recipe efficient even at scale. The larger the top K, the longer the search process will take, especially on larger repositories. The smaller top K, the more likely the search might miss some hits. I like to go around 5 to start. Like any search recipe, you can go and click on the repositories, or you can go click on the data tables to see all the combined search results together. You can also go look at visualizations, which will give you another way of observing all the results and help you maybe decide what the next step should be. We'll start first with find uses of method in code using AI. Using the search results, we gather all the corresponding method patterns. This visualization generates a data grid where you can see all the method patterns and an example. You could then take these method patterns and plug it in the find method usages recipe to find results that match just that pattern. Or if you wanted to create a recipe that will find all of the results that match the method patterns returned here, we also provide a visualizations to assist with that. So here we have a pre-filled YAML recipe that you can then click on run, or you can copy and paste it and import it into the builder and run it from there. Here we see some results from the YAML recipe that we just ran.